Gretchen Barretto is a Filipina singer and actress who is known for her timeless beauty. She was the first among her siblings to join the entertainment industry. She is a woman of class and elegance, and there is much more to know about her. Gretchen Barretto Profile Summary. Name: Gretchen Barretto. Nickname: La Greta. Nationality: Filipina. Birthplace: Manila, Philippines. Birthday: the 6th of March 1970. Partner: Antonio Cawanco. Child: Dominique Cawanco. Parents: Miguel Alvier and Estrella Costello. Siblings: Marjorie, Claudine, Mito, Jad JJ, and Michelle. Facts about Gretchen Barretto. She was the first among her siblings to join the entertainment industry. She was the first ever Plains and Prince brand ambassador. At the age of 45, she topped the magazine People with Money's list of the top 10 highest paid actresses for 2015. She started her career by hosting the television show GMA Super Show in 1988. She has 6 siblings. Since 2017, Barretto has been associated with cockfighting magnate Adam Yengi. Gretchen Barretto started her career by modeling at an early age of 12 as a way to escape the chaos within the Barretto clan. She was the first among her siblings to venture into the entertainment industry. In 1984, she was introduced as a Regal baby for Regal Films' 14 Going Steady, alongside Janice DeBellin and Nadia Montenegro. Her first single, Going Steady, served as the movie's official soundtrack. Gretchen earned the Philippine Movie Press Club PMPC Star Award for television's Best Single Performance by an Actress for 2 consecutive years for her Malaala Mokoya roles in Salaman 2009 and Larawan 2010. She bagged her 3rd consecutive PMPC award as the Best Drama Actress for her portrayal of Victoria Valera in Macarable 2010. She also won Best Supporting Actress on Gawa Tangala for her performance in The Trial 2014, starring John Lloyd Cruz, Jesse Mendiola, and Richard Gomez. The actress was also a whistleblower in the infamous 1994 Metro Manila Film Festival. An award presenter then, Gretchen had uncovered plans to change the Best Actor award results in favor of Gabby Concepcion and his co-star Rafa Gutierrez, prompting an investigation by then Manila Mayor Alfredo Limit.